Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're here at the shop. Gonna do us a quick walk around. Me and Jameson just went to the scrap yard, unloaded some scrap. Gonna run up to Lowe's, get some flooring for his trailer. But we're gonna do a little quick walk around the shop here, show what we got going on. Looks like it's gonna be a rainy Saturday, so let's get started. Right here we got the old 2004 Silverado. We bought this from Copart, hitting the front end. Well, we got it here. Transmission cooler was busted. Transmission ended up being burnt out of it, so we had to put a rebuilt transmission in it. We got the rebuilt transmission in it going. Got the Junior getting the front end back on it. We painted this fender and having replaced bumper, headlights, grill, stuff like that. But we got it going back together. It's a real nice truck. Will be for sale pretty soon. We'll have to have it inspected. You can see it's got the wheels, the tires, the lift. Real nice truck. Like I said, 04 model, cat eye, what they call it. Got the black interior. And so we hadn't even cleaned this thing up yet. So it's gonna be a good looking truck when it's ready. Check it out pretty soon for sale. Trans Am, had a little bad luck with Trans Am. Transmission went out of it. Got it up here, getting it pulled, get it rebuilt. Drake got the Maverick in here in the way, storing it out of the rain. We got the cab blocked and primed one more time in the back of the cab here, so it's ready for final sand and paint. Got the little Chevrolet over here, deck lid and bumper worked. Should be going to paint booth next week. Little Mustang in here had a water leak. Alan worked on it. Tailgate for the Ford. I think gonna do some buffing on it. Got it painted, do some buffing. The little doors here that you saw in Wednesday's video, got them repaired and primer. Just almost ready for filler work and finishing everything up. They're turning out real nice. There's the grill for the cat eye. Bumper brackets for the 48. Got them primed, ready for paint. Hopefully we can finally assemble them. Walk outside here. The Scion is ready for sale. Inspector came Wednesday, Thursday. Got it inspected. Hopefully the title should be back next week. Be ready to go. Roof is painted on the old Ford over there. It turned out real nice. It's a good looking old truck too. That's why you hate to see the roof peel on them like that, because I mean, it's a nice, well taken care of truck. And then the roof's peeling, you know, but got it all took care of. It's ready to go. I'll see here. Got the bumpers on the Suburban. We painted front and rear bumpers, got them going. The F-150, I don't know if you've seen this thing before. We had it cleaned up. Jesus come up here and detailed it for us. But I wish you would have had it, because look at this thing now. This thing cleaned up real nice. Like I said, it's a little high mileage truck, around 270. But it's a good looking old truck. And the insides look real nice now. It made a total different truck out of it. But it'll be for sale pretty soon. 11 F-150 Coyote 2-wheel drive. Wish it was a 4-wheel drive. But, I think we showed you last week. We got the seat mounted in the Comet. Got the floor pans back out of the Torino. Getting the holes drilled for spot weld. Bel Aero in here. Alan's been working in the shining on it. It's coming along real nice. Real nice. Look at it shine. Ain't sure if we got anything in here in the paint booth or not. Got it in here for storage because it's supposed to rain all weekend. But now I can give you a better view of it. Of course, it's a little dusty from sitting in the shop. As you see, that front end looks real nice. This truck was originally hit right here. It damaged the frame. And I don't know if you can remember from videos a while back, the shop over in Atlanta didn't want to mess with it. So he brought it over here, bought a new frame. We put everything on the frame, suspension and all that. It's got a real good look to it too. We had some problems with some of the parts on the frame, but they finally sent us the right stuff and we got it sitting right. But that's gonna be a nice cruiser right there. But anyway, I believe that's all we got going on. That's been a busy week. Got a busy week coming up. We still got 3 or 4 of our wrecks to get fixed. Hopefully the Chevrolet, we can send the title off for it next week. Like I said, the Scion's ready to go. We can get started on the Nissan and the little Camry and stuff. But the Mustang, we want to polish the fender and stuff on it. It'll be ready to go. But check us out, 256 Garage out.